what this is going to turn into is a question about where we are with that FOIA request that we voted on at our last meeting to give the information, to turn over the information to John Kraft.
It was all turned over, right, Carla?
We could go Friday,
It all went.
It went Friday.
not this
Mail?
last Friday.
And folks, I got one other comment. I got a comment. Anyway, it went, Beth. Beth,
Wait a
it
second.
went. It all went.
In the mail.
Yeah.
He's not received it. He called me today. Not that I know this gentleman, but he called you.
It went.
He did. He said, should I call Joe and Sarah and Doug?
Did you mail it, Carla?
Started talking. I said, you can call anybody you want.
He mailed
To a
Sure.
CD.
Yeah.
I'm sure he mailed it because I talked to him too
Yeah.
and told him to get it out.
Yes.
Well, good then. That's good.
Now-
It was on a CD. I don't know if it was all burnt to a CD because there were 600 and some odd pages on just one document that was all burnt to a
You
CD.
tell him it is
So,
on
those
its
weren't
way.
copied.
It was sent out.
Somehow.
We could go Friday, I think, but
Yeah.
we could go Friday, right after our meeting on Monday. It was sent out on Friday.
That's good news then.
Well, yes, and for those that thought that it wasn't, because there have been some comments on Facebook that has not been sent out, and I want to correct that because it has been. It was sent out on Friday after our meeting on Monday.
Carla gave him the stuff. I told him when council voted it's to go out last week. I'm assuming it did. I didn't mail it, but I'm assuming it went out.
I asked
And it
him.
went out. It'll get there. Today's Monday. Well, you gotta get it to,
You know, it's a week ago.
No, it should have been
A
a
week
week
ago.
It went a week ago Friday.
It went right after
Not
our
Good Friday.
well,
meeting.
if
It went
it's,
a week
it
prior to
went.
that.
And if he doesn't get it, then we have to run it down and get it to him again. Okay? Now, in the